y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to hashtag 100 Days of Halloween 2023. It is Vlogtober day 7, October 7th. So
1 weekend.
Yeah. Sorry guys, eyes are itching. I don't have a lot today. We didn't do much. I told y'all about the movie last night. The movie we watched last night. What was it called? They Live. Maybe they shouldn't have lived. It was not. It was disappointing. I even dozed off at one point. It was not cool. I got excited because there was the whole nostalgia because my dad used to watch wrestling and if you know, you know, Roddy Piper was in it. But it was just horrible. It was just, I give it no thumbs. Like, it wasn't disturbingly cringy, like I just couldn't watch it again. It's just I don't want to watch it again. So there. And what did you think, babe?
For me, it's no thumbs also. I mean, it took forever to have anything happen, and when it did happen, it was like, oh, okay, cool, social commentary. And then it just didn't do anything else to make it exciting, in my opinion.
So the square, if you watched it, you'll know why, but the square is a pair of sunglasses. And let's just say that that's like a huge part of the movie is the sunglasses. I used some red, I love this yarn. I can't remember. It's the black and white, like, print one, or ombre, or whatever it is. Or black and gray, is it called? Anyway, for the lenses to show, like, reflective. And then I used, because I just used scrap balls. I had a scrap ball of this. And then I had a scrap ball of the black, Red Heart Black with the gold metallic in it. So, yeah. And I put it under the eyeball. My shawl is getting too big to show. And so the next time you'll see a clip will be when I have it finished. So I can show it all in all of its beauty. But it is getting bigger. And I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to make it, or how much bigger I'm going to make it. But I do like big shawls. And I cannot lie. Oh. So let's find out what movie we're watching tonight. Oh, they're over there. Need my eyeballs, y'all. Pit and the Pendulum on FreeVee. Let's check that out and see what that's about. The Pit and the Pendulum on FreeVee. Once again, I will put it down below in the description box so that if you forget after you watch the video, because I forget as soon as I hear something, then you can go back and look in the description box. It'll tell you what movie it is. So, y'all stay spooky, and I will see you tomorrow.